Now I want you to go to google.com and I want you to type in a keyword squishy cash and then press on search. Now this website has a brand new update recently. Recently they have an update, so when you click on the first link here, squishycash.com makes money online. Now what I like about this website is that they recently have a new announcement where everyone from anywhere in the world can start making money on their website for 100% free, and I'll be showing you exactly how this works, and this is incredible. Now take a look at this. I just started with my new website called Squishy Cash a couple days ago. I can say that this is the best GPT site that pays you fast. I've made at least $50 so far. I've referred others to sign up, and when they join, they'll get $5 in bonus. Happy earnings to everyone that joins. I'm gonna talk about this in a moment. How you can get a free sign up bonus, free money for you. While watching this video, make sure you don't miss out on that. But take a look at this. Everyone for the first time, right? I know a lot of you guys have never made any money before, so this is your best opportunity. This is my first time on Squishy Cash. The offer approved fast and support is wonderful, and I made $41.85 in 3 hours. So now I'm hooked. This is my favorite website. They just pay me a week early too. What more can you ask for? This is incredible, and they have a lot of amazing contests. I'll talk about that as well. I love Squishy Cash because they add new offers every day. It is very convenient to know that whenever you log in, I've made more than $100 on this site without investing a single penny. As you can see here, a lot of people, they're leaving incredible testimonials and review on this website. So many good feedbacks, so many people, newbies, they are making money. So now this is basically how it works. When you do some simple tasks like watching videos, right? Just one of them, watching videos, and there's still a lot more other different ways, 8 different ways that you can make money on this website. And once you make the money, they're gonna send the payment to you directly. And the payment options they are available is PayPal, Amazon, Skrill, Dollar, and check. Now I know that a lot of you, they're coming from different countries in the world, and I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from. So if you have any question, I can help you to set up your account as well so that you can begin making money on this website. So these are the 8 different ways to earn money on Squishy Cash. Number 1, you can do free offers. Number 2, you can do free surveys. And number 3, you can get paid to just click. This is a very simple thing to do. And number 4, offer walls. This is where you can watch videos and make money. This is my favorite. Okay, number 5, you can do free trials, meaning that you can download application and then you can make money. And number 6, you can shopping and earn cash back. And number 7, you can refer to friends and you can earn passive income and commission. And last but not least, number 8, you can participate in different contests and earn free extra money as well. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll break it down step by step in detail how you can make money with each method so that you don't have to go to the website yourself and try it out blindly and use hours and hours to figure everything out by yourself, right? I'm gonna save you a lot of time in this very short video. And one extra tip I want to give you right now, pay close attention to this squishy news. You're gonna notice on the right hand corner of the website, once you log in, they're gonna see something like this. This is where it can offer you extra free money. Okay, this is bonus. Take a look at this. The survey promotion. Win 10 extra chips, 50% earning. These are all the things that you can participate in, meaning that you can earn extra money by just clicking on these posts and completing the task today. You can keep on refreshing this every single day. Make sure to take notice of this. And a lot of people who are joining on this website right now, and a lot of people who are freshly just joining on this website, they don't even know about this. So if you are watching this video, congratulations, because you're in the one of the earliest batch to join this, right? If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do it right now. Subscribe, because I share with you the most up-to-date information about making money online as always. So moving on, take a look at this. This is where you can sign up and register for free. Now this is an incredible opportunity because they give you $3 for free by just signing up, and more than that, now chips is another thing that you can earn when you complete the task, right? Complete the task, you can earn money and you can earn chips as well. And the chips that you earn, you can convert them into money. I'll explain more about that somewhere in this video. Make sure you stay tuned. And then this is where you can sign up and get your free account. They've been paying out more than $300,000 since 2007. You can see a bunch of payment proof on their forum. They are very transparent about that, but I'm not gonna waste the time and show you, thousands of them. I want to be quick and show you all the important information. Now this is where you can fill in the information. You just have to put in your email address, your password, and everything. Take a look at a country here. Now these are all the countries that they're accepting. For example, they are from the US, the United States, they're from the Europe, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Germany, Kenya, so on and so forth from different parts of the world. You can make money on this website, and once you've done with that, just click on this I've read and agreed with the terms and privacy, and just click on sign up. Now when you look at this, residents from all countries may participate, right? This is definitely a worldwide opportunity. But one thing to take note is that only one account is allowed per person. Make sure you don't sign up multiple accounts on that, or else you are gonna get banned. Now once you log into your account, you can see there are different ways to make money. Now browse offers category. When you click on this down arrow here, you can see different things to do. All offers, new offers, free offers, surveys, trial, and shopping, right? They have a bunch of different things where you can click, watch videos, and earn money. I'm gonna show you everything in this video so that you can learn from me. So comment down below I am still watching if you're still watching this point right here. Comment down below and let me know if you're still watching, okay? So as you can see here, meaning that once you've completed the daily offers, for example, you can earn 35 cents and then they're gonna give you 5 chips, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35 cents plus 5 chips into your account. Now you can do as much as you want and the income will stack up very quickly, and they're gonna pay you more and more higher earnings per video. You can see there are a bunch of different offers, hundreds of them. You can do this by just using a phone. Repeat this every day. Take a few minutes and doing it on your phone or computer or any devices. Now if you're using an Android phone, comment down below and let me know, or if you're using an iPhone, comment down below and let me know as well. But I have a good news for all the Android phone users, because you can earn even more money compared to other people because you have more Android opportunities. So that's a good news for you. Now when you click on this arrow and when you select new offers, so pay attention, okay? This is very important. Just click on new offers. You can see there are a lot of more offers that you can do. For example, take a look at this, 50 cents, or this one $15. You guys, this is crazy. And for this one 60 cents, this one 50 cents, this 40 cents, 35 cents, 30 cents. There's so many jobs that you can do, and they're available pretty much all over different countries. Take a look at this, all countries. Anyone can do this. It just take a few seconds to a few minutes, and you can easily do 20, 30 times or even 50 times a day, and depending on your location or your country, you can get paid even more money compared to other people. Now for example, if you're coming from the United States, right, you can United Kingdom, Canada, India. If you're coming from Philippines or Nigeria, you can make more money on this website. Comment down below and tell me your country. And remember, if you watch this video until the end, I'll show you my own special bonus, my secret that how you can make 2 times more money compared to other people. For example, a lot of people that go onto the website, they can find offer around 35, 50 cents, you know, but there is a secret that I personally know that you can make more money. For example, you can get offers like this, $15. That's crazy. That's a lot more money compared to other people. Now when you look at this, all of these offers, there's so many that pay you less than $1, only one that pay you $15. Okay, now if you know the secret, you can unlock more opportunities that pay you for more money. For example, 35, 50, 80, or even $100 for just one single offer. Now you need to know this in order to unlock them. Make sure you watch until the end and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Now when you click on the down arrow again, you can click on surveys, right? Click on surveys. As you can see here, there are 25 offers right now. They're going to refresh these every single day, and they're gonna pay you somewhere between 60 cents, 50 cents, 40 cents. Not a lot of money, but one thing I do want to point out is that once you complete 10 surveys, they can unlock new opportunities where you can make money by watching even more videos that pay you more money. Now I believe all of you guys, you love to make money by just watching videos because this is the simplest thing which you can do, right? I hope that makes sense. And once you complete 10 surveys, you can unlock extra opportunities for you, which are the trials. Take a look at this, 8 offers. When you do 10 surveys, they can unlock these new opportunities for you, and you can start making more money compared to other people. And check this out. This is the reason why I'll ask you to watch the video in full, because I'll show you some insider secrets as always at the end. For example, once you complete 10 surveys, they can unlock you some extra free trial job. For example, take a look at this. They pay you 200 chips by just signing up for free trial, or sometimes watching videos, 300 chips. Take a look at this, $5. Check this out, $3, 80 chips, 50 cents. This pay you more money compared to other offers. They pay you only about, 30 cents, 40 cents, right? And once you completed your first 10 surveys, you can see this. You can make money. You can start making money by watching videos, and they pay you a lot of money. For example, this one, as you can see here, so many chips, 2,160 chips, 18 chips, 10, 19, 21. Now this is where you can make money by watching videos and do surveys, click on surveys and make money. This unlocks a lot more opportunities for you if you finish the first 10 surveys to unlock everything. Now if you watch until this point, congratulations, because I want to reveal an extra secret, which is the referral system. And at the end of this video, I want to share with you a free website where you can make a lot of referrals for free. You don't need any followers, you don't need any money, you don't need any experience. You as a beginner, you can do this as well by following exactly what I teach you. Okay, make sure you watch until the end. But right now, I want to share with you their referral system because this is a little bit different. Take a look at this. You can earn 25% on the first level. First level, you can earn 25% commission. Whatever your friends are earning, you make 25%, and that's pretty good. For example, you refer to other people, they make $100, and you make $25 extra money for free without doing anything. And then they have a second level. Second level, you can earn extra 5%, and on the third level, you can earn 2%. Fourth level, 1%, 1% for the fifth level as well. Right? They have a total of 5 tiers, 5 levels, you guys. I've never seen any other website that offer you so many levels of referral so that you can build up your passive income. Meaning the more people you refer to, the more they work, the more you make money in passive. And in addition to this awesome referral system, you can also earn $1 per active first level referral. Meaning whenever people sign up for a free account, you can earn $1. That's pretty good. Now imagine just by referring to 10 people, you can make extra $10. And when they make money, you can earn 25% on the first level, up to 5 levels of free money. So once you log into your account, you can get your unique referral code, and you just have to share them in order to make money. So right now, very important, let me show you the website, okay, the forum where you can share this code to other people so that you can get a lot of referrals. Now when you come onto this forum, you can just have to click on register. Click on this link, register. I'm gonna open up a new tab to show you on average you can make about $20 up to $50 for free in extra money per day. Now when you come on here, just put in your email and just click on continue to register for a free account. And once you go inside here, you can just click on one of these. For example, off topic every day, just click on this link. For example, replies, over thousands of replies, over 700 replies, so many views and traffic on this website. You can get so many people to sign up under your referral code, and people are doing this every day. A lot of them, as you can see here, a lot of posts that you can put up here to make extra money by just referring to other people. This is definitely an incredible extra opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.